Systeme.io, GoHighLevel, Legendary Marketer. Which one should you start with? Which one makes sense to scale with? And most importantly, which one fits your needs right now?
For anyone feeling overwhelmed by choices, this video is your guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start and how to combine these programs into your ultimate CRM stack based on your experience level, whether you're just starting out or optimizing at scale. The links to all three programs are in the description below. Each one comes with walkthroughs, stack templates, and subscriber-only bonuses, so grab what you need before this campaign closes. Here's a quick side-by-side of Systeme.io, GoHighLevel, and Legendary Marketer. Systeme.io user interface, simple, beginner-friendly. Automations, basic workflows for solopreneurs. Funnel builder, intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Email, reliable autoresponders for small lists. SMS capabilities, not included. Integrations, limited native options, ideal user, beginners, or solopreneurs focused on cost and simplicity. GoHighLevel user interface, complex but feature-packed. Automations, advanced multipath tagging and triggers. Funnel builder, sophisticated A/B testing, advanced upsell setups. Email, dynamic and customizable. SMS capabilities, fully integrated. Integrations, extensive, including Zapier, white label options. Ideal user, agencies or experienced marketers scaling complex systems. Legendary Marketer, user interface, training focused. Automations, relies on external CRM tools. Funnel builder, teachings focus on strategy over technical setup. Email and SMS, concepts covered in training only. Integrations, NA, education-based program. Ideal user, all levels during the activation phase. Whether you're focused on simplicity, looking to scale, or need clarity to kickstart, there's a combination for you. Here's how you can combine these tools based on your current stage. Beginner path. Start with Legendary's $5 Learn Launch Lead Challenge plus Systeme.io. Legendary teaches you the step-by-step affiliate fundamentals, and Systeme gives you a straightforward platform to implement them. This path is affordable, simple, and perfect for first-timers. Intermediate path. Take Legendary's $5 Challenge or $7 Confidence Challenge to refine your process. Then transition to Systeme.io with Toolkit 2 to set up more advanced workflows and campaigns that scale with your audience. Pro path. If you're running an agency or multiple campaigns, combine Legendary's training foundation with GoHighLevel's full CRM capabilities. GHL lets you manage customized funnels, automated follow-ups, SMS marketing, and client accounts all from one place. Every stack combo is mapped out in the description below. Use the links there to access free templates, bonus integrations, and the exact tools we recommend for each stage.
When I started, I didn't need anything complicated. Systeme.io made sense. It was quick to set up, and I focused on learning the basics while building my first funnel. But as I grew, I hit limits. I needed to scale, manage multiple offers, and run evergreen automations. That's when I moved to GoHighLevel, and it completely changed how I worked. But here's the key. I wouldn't have been ready for any of that without first going through Legendary's $7 Confidence Challenge. That's where I got the mindset to stop doubting myself and the clarity to actually use these tools to their full potential. Legendary, Systeme.io, GoHighLevel. For me, that was the natural progression, and it's what I recommend.
Here are some common questions we hear. Should I skip Legendary? No. Without it, you'll lack clarity and direction. That's why so many beginners stall after trying to go straight to the tools. Can I use GoHighLevel as a beginner? You can, but it's overkill. Most new affiliates get overwhelmed by how robust it is, and that slows them down. Can I stick with Systeme.io long-term? Absolutely. If you're a solopreneur with no plans to scale, Systeme can serve you well. But as your audience or business grows, you may outgrow its limitations. All the links you need are in the description. Each one includes the full bonus stack, tracking guides, and the templates we use. Don't guess which path is right for you. Start where you are and grow at your own pace. Here's the recap. Systeme.io, a simple, powerful builder for beginners. GoHighLevel, the pro-level CRM for scaling and advanced campaigns. Legendary Marketer, the essential launch system focused on skills, clarity, and belief. Pick the combination that fits your stage right now. It's not about doing everything at once. It's about doing the right thing for where you are. Click the links below to find your perfect stack. Each option includes templates, bonuses, and guides tailored to your level. Don't wait too long. These subscriber-only bonuses are only available for a limited time. Drop a comment and tell us, what's your CRM stack right now? Did you start with Legendary? And where do you see your business headed this year?
Next time, we'll bring it all together and show you how to stay plugged into CashWave so you can keep building momentum long after this campaign ends.